If you're tired of charging cables that fray, slow down, or just don't last, the Amazon Basics Nylon Braided Lightning to USB cable is worth a look. Designed specifically for Apple devices, this cable promises not just compatibility but real durability and fast charging performance that keeps up with your busy day. This cable is universally compatible with a wide range of Apple products, including iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, iPhone 11, XS, XR, X, and older models like the iPhone 5 series. It also supports iPads from the Pro and Air lines to mini versions, as well as iPod Touch and Beats Pill Plus speakers. So, no matter which Apple device you own, this cable has you covered. One of the biggest benefits here is the inclusion of Apple's original C89 smart chip. This MFi-certified chipset means your devices recognize the cable instantly, ensuring a safe and stable connection every time you plug in. That's peace of mind you don't get with generic cables that can sometimes cause charging issues or even damage your device. Charging speed is another area where this cable shines. Thanks to wide diameter wires and reduced resistance inside the cord, it supports charging currents up to 2.4 amps. That translates into faster power-ups for your iPhone or iPad compared to many standard cables, letting you spend less time tethered to an outlet. Durability is clearly a priority here. The cable's nylon braided exterior resists tangling in everyday wear, while an extra layer of protection at both the Lightning and USB ends helps prevent fraying. This design means the cable can handle the bends, twists, and pulls that usually wear down cheaper cords quickly. The connectors themselves feature a sturdy unibody design. This makes them more resistant to damage and ensures a snug, secure fit every time you connect your device. You won't have to worry about loose connections or cables slipping out during charging or syncing. What you get is more than just a cable. Amazon backs this product with a worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated customer service. That's a strong signal of confidence in the cable's quality and longevity. If something goes wrong, you're covered. One reviewer shared their experience after 2 years of use, even with a cat that loved chewing on the cable. Their original Apple cable was falling apart, with cracked plastic and a dangerously frayed cord. The Amazon Basics replacement arrived quickly, was longer, sturdier, and just as fast at charging. Plus, it came in a pretty pink color that added a little personality to their setup. This cable strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It's a smart upgrade from worn-out or unreliable cables without the premium price tag of official Apple accessories. For anyone who values reliability and speed, it's an easy recommendation. If you're ready to stop worrying about your charging cable failing when you need it most, this Amazon Basics Lightning cable offers a durable, fast, and secure solution. Its broad compatibility means it's a versatile choice for multiple Apple devices, simplifying your charging needs. With the added protection against fraying and damage, you get a cable that lasts longer. That saves you money and hassle over time. Plus, the lifetime warranty means you're investing in a product built to stand the test of daily use. In a market flooded with cheap, flimsy cables, this one stands out by delivering what matters: fast charging, reliable connections, and a design built to endure. Whether you're replacing an old cable or adding a backup for travel or work, it's a solid pick. Consider this cable if you want a dependable way to keep your iPhone, iPad, or iPod powered up without fuss. Its MFi certification ensures compatibility and safety, so you won't risk damaging your device with subpar parts. The nylon braided design isn't just about looks, it's about real-world toughness. It resists tangling and handles daily wear better than plastic-coated cables, which tend to fray and break quickly. Charging speed matters when you're on the go. This cable's support for up to 2.4 4 amps means less downtime waiting for your device to recharge. That's especially important if you use your phone or tablet heavily throughout the day. If you've ever dealt with cables that feel flimsy or connectors that loosen over time, the secure fit of this cable's unibody connectors will be a welcome change. It plugs in smoothly and stays put, making charging hassle-free. Amazon's lifetime warranty and customer support add an extra layer of confidence. If you run into any issues, you can count on help without extra cost or stress. In short, the Amazon Basics Nylon Braided Lightning to USB cable delivers fast, reliable charging in a durable package. It's a practical upgrade for anyone who wants a cable that lasts and performs well. Try it when you're ready to experience a better way to power your Apple devices.